I'm doing this now because not only because the spring is off, also because it's easier to hold with just one spring on one side,
Right.
and just swap them out.
Do you think I should bring a ladder over here so I can help you and hold it?
No, it won't be necessary.
Okay.
It's just slide on, release.
'Cause you got all that, well, you got the shaft on that side. You're pretty strong.
Try to be.
You go to the gym?
I used to.
You don't have to doing this.
That's what I said.
I mean, this is a workout. Just holding this camera is a workout for me. You're doing good, Joe.
Thank you.
This is a lot more than the other guy did, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, the other guy he was here for like maybe really quick.
Yeah, I like to take my time to know what the problem is. And
Get it done right,
get
right?
it exactly. So, as much as I love my customers, you really don't want to see me again, you know?
Yeah, right, exactly. So that is what size a ratchet we using?
Usually, this is it usually has 7/16 lags, but I'm pretty sure they used a 1/2 inch over here.
Okay, so we got to go with a 1/2 inch.
We gotta grab a 1/2 inch.
All right. Okay, so that one's out.
See, and you want to use what carries the spring. This is what they had on there. You want to use longer ones.
Oh, we're going big.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't want to screw around. We want to go deep. Deep into that thing.
Alrighty.
We don't have to worry about that because we're not going to use it.
This is the old one.
Now he slides that one over.
Out the way. Boom. Take off my 1/2 inch.
And so he's going to put those big, what do you call them, lags?
Lags, yep.
And those are for concrete, right?
Concrete, wood. Straight. Bingo.
Okay, so that's key. We would definitely want that thing to be in there.
Yeah.
That's important.
It's in there now.
Okay, good.
Right now, we're gonna slide this.
So we get rid of that.
That's why I didn't want to go in too deep.
Okay, so yeah. So the other ones were just in the wood, right?
Yep. They were just in the wood.
Okay, we're sliding that one off. And now we just got to put our spring
And our drum.
and our drum on.